Welcome back to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest tech to help you make smart buying decisions. Today we're taking a look at the Heybike Villain electric dirt bike, a powerful off-road machine promising thrilling adventures. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's kick things off by diving into the core performance features and the overall. The 4,160-watt mid-drive motor delivers explosive acceleration and a top speed of 45 miles per hour, making it capable. Equipped with a 52-volt 26Ah battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles, backed by UN38. A high-quality full suspension system, featuring hydraulic front and nitrogen rear shocks, ensures a smooth and stable ride even. Its reliable braking system features advanced heavy-duty hydraulic brakes and includes a magnetic emergency switch for enhanced safety during your. Overall, the Heybike Villain brings together strong power, a reliable battery, and a capable suspension system. Next, we'll examine how the Heybike Villain is designed for different riders and what. With a 29.5-inch seat height and a roomy frame, this bike comfortably fits riders ranging from 3.9 feet to 6. A convenient reverse gear function allows for easy maneuvering and quick repositioning with just a press of a button. Priced at $1,399, this Heybike offers a compelling package of power, range, and advanced features for its cost, representing good. Potential buyers must verify local legal age and driver's license requirements, and be aware of the suggested adult supervision. Overall, the Villain is built to accommodate many riders with smart features, but prospective owners should. The Heybike Villain electric dirt bike is a seriously impressive machine for anyone craving raw power and off-road excitement. Its robust motor, long-range battery, and advanced suspension suggest it handles diverse terrain with ease. While local regulations are a crucial consideration, its comprehensive feature set and safety measures make it a compelling choice for adventurous riders.